All right. Hi. So I hope this helps. I don't know. Um, Here's the thing. When I go over to the circle and I click on it and I go down to Adelaide, it says sign in, which is really annoying because it won't let me sign in. However, I found that if I go to Gmail and then I try to switch to Adelaide, it's not a problem. I don't know why. I suspect if you went here and you put add another account, you could, because you don't have Adelaide listed, you could say use another account, type Adelaide H6. I don't know if you need the whole thing, but put it in anyway. At nycstudents.net. And let's see, Adelaide H6. I don't know if this will work. 1968, 2013. If it would take it. It took mine. I don't know. From within Gmail, it seems to work. And then you just go to this array of 9 dots and select Classroom. And you're in. Here we are. Here's our classroom. There's a stream. Oh, leave me alone. Okay. Most of our stuff is under classwork. You say hello every morning. There are morning meeting activities. There are reading lessons, writing lessons, math. Math is the one place where you just have to look for the thing on top because we're going to be adding more and more and more and more. There's an IB lesson, there's a science lesson, art, music, gym, all sorts of stuff to do. Hopefully it'll work for you.